Hey you guys, today for our DGP we are going to be diagramming the subject and the predicate of our sentence. Just to remind everybody, I'm going to click back to the last slide, excuse me. Our sentence for this week is the modern Olympic Games began in Greece in 1896. So we just need to figure out which is the subject and which is the predicate, or like the verbs in the sentence. And just to recap, our subject or subjects go on the left and our verb or predicate goes on the right. So we can actually look back at our blue day for this, and we can see that we underlined one time our subject, the modern Olympic Games. So really what goes up here is what's called our simple subject, and we'll talk more about that next week. So Olympic Games is our simple subject, the one noun that our sentence is about. I'm going to go ahead and just move that to the front. There we go. So it's going to go on the left, and I'll need to do the same thing here. Arrange, order, bring to the front. Okay, so our simple subject goes right there. And our simple predicate, or the one verb that our subject is doing, is going to go on the right. In this case, it will be began. Okay, this was a really kind of easy peasy diagram this week. So go ahead and fill that in and just return your DGP worksheet in your orange remote folder next week. I will greatly appreciate that. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.